Hi, my name is Summer Janae and welcome back to my channel. Today, one of the things I would like to talk to you about are historically black colleges, specifically Alabama A&M University, AAMU. This is one of my alma maters, and I just want to do a big plug. I know we're coming up on those who may be applying and doing early action or early decision. And I want to make sure that you are keeping HBCUs in the mix. The current motto for Alabama A&M University, not particularly, I would say marketing motto, is start here and go anywhere. I started at Alabama A&M a long time ago, and I was a psychology major. I got into my major coursework and heard that some of the seniors were having issues finding a job because you need an advanced degree in the field of psychology to make some money. And so I went over to the School of Business for a minor, and I liked it so much I ended up doing a double major. So I want to let you know that Alabama A&M laid the foundation for me, and I went on to get my master's in human resource administration, and then I went on to get my doctorate in organization and management with a concentration in human resources. So I wanted to let you know, if I can do it, you can do it, because I was not that girl when I was in school. So I just want you to be encouraged and make sure you are pursuing your goals. For those of you who are pursuing higher education, I want to absolutely shout out HBCUs, because you can get a wonderful education at an HBCU, and there are so many opportunities for you out there. Just remember to pick the best place for you, but I just want to make sure in that conversation you absolutely include HBCUs and don't just go for all mainstream colleges. There are so many things, there are so many benefits to attending an HBCU. There's a one-of-a-kind experience that you'll get only at an HBCU, especially at an HBCU homecoming. There is the educational opportunities in terms of the one-on-one care, or I'm not going to say one-on-one, but the care that I experience from my HBCU professors were second to none. And to be in a space, if you're used to being in an environment where if you are a person of color and you're the only person of color in those environments, an HBCU gives you the opportunity to be a part of the majority, if you will, and not a minority. So I can tell you, I remember working on a partnership or a project for General Motors when I went over to the School of Business, and we did some market research on our campus. We created a survey, and like my daughter now attends an HBCU, and some of the opportunities she has at her school are just amazing. So I want to make sure that as you are preparing to enter into, if you're a senior or you're a parent of a senior or a junior and you're just thinking about college, that you absolutely include HBCUs in your conversation and on your short list. Go visit one or two, just like you're visiting the predominantly white institutions or PWIs, so that you can get an understanding of all your options. I will do another video on early actions and early decisions here shortly, just so that you all are aware of the ramifications of both. But for this particular one, I wanted to shout out to the AAMU Bulldogs and share with you my alma mater. Go Bulldogs! So that's all I have for you today. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. If you have any questions about HBCUs or Alabama A&M University, please drop them in the comments section. I look forward to dialoguing with you about HBCUs and Alabama A&M University. And that's all I have for you today. Remember to hit that subscribe button and help me grow my channel. help me help you. Tell me what you want me to do more videos on. And I just want to say, enjoy the rest of your day and go be great.